Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So finally the Gamerboom Airdrop claim is live, and in this video I'll show you how you can claim your tokens. So when you open the dashboard of your Gamerboom, then click here on submit airdrop info. As you can see, you can claim on Bitget with zero gas fee, and also you have the opportunity to get a 5% bonus as well. Keep in mind you need to claim before 8 July 6 AM UTC. So you need to enter your Bitget UID and address to receive the tokens. Go to your Bitget wallet, copy your UID and paste it here. Then go back to Bitget and click on deposit. In the search bar, type boom and select it. In the network section, choose BP20 Binance Smart Chain. Copy the address and paste it here. Then scroll down, click on submit, then confirm, and it's done. So if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. In the pinned message you will find all the airdrops which I am personally farming. The link is in the description, so check it out. That's it for this video. Now wait for the tokens to arrive on Bitget, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.